Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and why fans are worried about its performance. The issue? The new Exynos 2500 chip. Some new test results just came out, and they're not looking good. A Geekbench listing for the Z Flip 7 with the Exynos 2500 just leaked, and the scores are disappointing. It scored 2012 in single-core and 7,563 in multi-core performance. Now, those numbers might not mean much by themselves, so let's compare them to other phones. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip, used in Samsung's Galaxy S25 series, scores around 3,220 in single-core and over 10,200 in multi-core. That's a huge difference. And to make it worse, even Apple's A14 chip from 2020 scored 2,079 in single-core, higher than this brand-new Exynos chip. For years, fans have had mixed feelings about Exynos processors. Many were hoping the new 2nm Exynos 2500 would finally match Snapdragon chips, but sadly, it doesn't seem like that's happening. And these numbers don't just look bad on paper, they affect real things like gaming, multitasking, battery life, and how hot the phone gets during use. The only small positive here is that the multi-core score is close to Apple's A17 Pro chip from last year, which scored about 7,441. But in today's phone market, being close to a one-year-old chip just isn't enough to stand out. So what does this mean for the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Well, it'll still be a fun, stylish phone with 12GB RAM and Android 16. Most people will probably enjoy it for regular stuff like messaging, videos, and social media. But for those who care about gaming or heavy tasks, this version might feel slow compared to the Snapdragon model, if Samsung even makes one for some markets. The bigger issue is what this says about the future of Exynos chips. Samsung is already working on the Exynos 2600 for the next Galaxy S26 series, and if this one struggles too, fans might start to lose hope. It could also be a problem for Samsung's business since Qualcomm is expected to raise prices for its next Snapdragon chip. There's also the political side. If US trade policies change, phone prices could go up, especially for devices using parts made overseas. Samsung might want to rely less on Qualcomm, but if Exynos doesn't improve, it won't have many good options. The good news is that the bigger Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to ship worldwide with the Snapdragon chip. That's a relief because at least Samsung's most expensive foldable will have top performance. But for the Flip 7, people online are already frustrated. Many fans are asking why Samsung keeps using Exynos when it can't keep up. At the end of the day, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will still be a fun foldable phone, but power users might want to avoid the Exynos version. And if Samsung doesn't fix these issues soon, it could hurt their future phones too. What do you think? Are you disappointed by the Exynos 2500 numbers? Or are you still interested in the Flip 7? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on Samsung and the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.